Welcome to another interesting word problem in Chapter 7. We're going to continue study system of linear equations and also learn a little bit interesting facts about Asian culture during 端午节. During 端午节, people will eat 粽子, which is a type of food is glutinous rice with sweet fillings or maybe meat, maybe all kinds of nuts. People are quite creative. They wrapped it in bamboo leaves and then they boil it. Quite tasty. They will also play many games. One of the game is dragon boat race. The modern dragon boat race is actually kayaking. As you can see, there's a person here and he is playing the drum right here, encouraging people, and these people doing kayaking. It's really cool. All right, I thank the person who provided this picture to me, and let's read the story. The story says, in the practice, the team traveled 12 miles upstream. Upstream gonna take some effort, okay? A little bit harder. Upstream, how many miles did we travel? The distance is 12 miles. And how much time did we use? We used 3 hours. Now we can come back home. Row the boat gently down the stream, and we travel the same distance, also 12, and the time is only 2 hours. Why? Because downstream we have such thing called a current. The current gonna push us, gonna help us, not gonna go against us, but gonna go with us, help us. All right, it asks us to find the average speed of the kayak in still water and the speed of the current. Okay, let the still water speed be x, let the current speed be y. Based on the understanding and also our children's song, we understand if we add the still water speed and the speed of current, we add it. And we will have 12 divided by 2. That's 6. Why I use 12 divided by 2? Because distance is time times speed. We're given the distance, okay? We're given the time. If we want to find the speed, we're going to use distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. That is the speed. That's how we get 6. Okay? All right. This is gently down the stream. And then let's go upstream. Upstream gonna be harder. It will go against us. Therefore, we're gonna subtract it. Same thing. This time we're gonna use 12 divided by 3. That is 4. We have 2 beautiful equations. All right. You have already learned substitution. This time we're going to use elimination. It's really fast. Pick a method that is easier than fast, okay? Elimination method is, you see the first equation, I'm going to call it A, second is B. If I simply add these 2 equations, I will be able to totally eliminate y. Y will be gone, so I will be able to solve for x. I'm going to put down here. First one, second one. I'm going to add these 2 equations. X plus x, 2x. A positive and negative opposite cancel out each other. 6 plus 4, that is 10, which means x is 5. Earlier we said still water is x, so that's still water. Speed. Okay, and that's 5 miles per hour. Let's write down here 5 miles per hour. All right, the next step is going to be simple. You can bring this 5 back to either A or B to find out what is y. Okay, let's try B. So x is 5 minus y equals 4. What is y? Y is 1. So 1 is current speed. That's current. That's 1 mile per hour. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this math practice and the new Chinese Asian facts. Happy learning.